This is Anil with a video tutorial for the learning lad on C programming. In this video tutorial we're gonna see a string function called strcpy or string copy in C. This strcpy function is used when you want to copy some string from one source to another destination. So okay, let's see some examples. First we're gonna create a source string. It's gonna be a character array, and here we're gonna specify some values as Anil Shetty. And next we need to specify a target string where we want to copy. It's gonna be the target string, and let's assign a size of 25. So that's enough for our demonstration purpose. Save it. Now if you want to copy this string Anil Shetty from this source array to this target array, then what we can do is we can write a program to copy each string from this source array and place it in the target array. So now for that purpose, this C programming language provides a function or the built-in function called strcpy, which does the same thing. So you may think like, okay, in variables, if you want to copy the values from one variable to another, for the integer and floating types, we just used to assign the values using this assignment operator. For example, if we have a variable x and if you want to store the value of y variable in the x, then we used to write x equal to y. So but in strings and arrays it's not the case, so we can't write our source equal to target here. So if we do that, we're gonna get some errors. So for the demonstration purpose, I'm just gonna compile it. So as you can see here, we have incompatible types in assignment error. So we can't do this after adding a square bracket here and a square bracket here. Also save it and compile it. As you can see, we get some errors like syntax error before this square bracket token. So if you want to copy the string in C programming language, you have to use the strcpy function. So first see how this strcpy function works. So in this strcpy function, we have to pass two parameters. It's gonna be first the target where we want to copy our strings to, then we have to specify the source from where we want to copy our strings from. So it's gonna be a source. If we are gonna use this strcpy function in our program, then we have to write strcpy, that's the function name. Then we have to specify first the array where we want to copy to. It's gonna be the target array. Then we have to specify the location from which we want to copy the string. It's gonna be the source array. In this case, it's gonna be source here. So save it. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we just to print the values or the strings present in this source and the target array. So we're gonna write printf, then we're gonna use this percentage as specifier because we are dealing with the string. Then we're gonna refer our source array first, and we're gonna copy this printf statement and we're gonna paste it and we're gonna make it target. So okay, let's add a new line here to make it pretty. Save it, compile it, and run it. So as you can see here, first we have the string from this source array, that's Anil Shetty, and after using this strcpy function, now our target array also contains the string Anil Shetty. So what this strcpy function does is it will copy this source string one character at a time. So it's gonna copy A and it's gonna place it in the target array. Then it's gonna copy N and it's gonna place it in the target array. Similarly, it's gonna do until it encounters a null character. So in string, if a null character is encountered, that means that that's the end of the string. So and the last thing I want to tell you in this tutorial is when we are copying this source to this target, as a programmer, it's our responsibility to allocate the size which can store this value. So if you specify less memory space here, then it's gonna write offset this array, and it may make your program to work differently. So this is it. This is about the strcpy function. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next tutorial.